Vended laundries are constantly looking for ways to increase revenues, whether you're having drop-off laundries, services where people bring it in and giving you the laundry to do, whether they're doing outsourced for-profit laundry. We got a lot of customers doing that, where they're doing commercial accounts where they go out, pick up their laundry, do it at night or times when the laundry is slow. It's a very effective way. We discussed previously a little bit about how can we build cycles so that the customer can add extra water, extra spin, etc., and it gets create a little bit more revenue per vend, which will also increase your profitability on it. And then marketing. Are we doing a good job of marketing? Are we letting people know that we're open longer hours? Do you have good attendance and keeping it clean? Your bathrooms are clean? Are your lighting good? Are you safe? Your parking proper? Do you have large capacity washers? We're seeing more and more where people are putting in 80, 100 pound, maybe 135 pound washers. They can have these great big huge loads and they're $25 a load. People think we're nuts, but we see it over and over that the people will wait for those machines. And so making sure your mix of equipment is proper, all these things go into a good laundromat, and we're certainly there to help and give you some advice on how to grow your business. I don't know if they're overlooked, but certainly commercial accounts, we're seeing that there's a kind of a void in what I would call niche type commercial accounts. You've got the really large and big for-profit industrial laundries, and some of the smaller niche, let's say it's a small doctor's office, a dentist office, maybe a hair salon, that they don't want to mess with, but there's an opportunity they're willing to pay for to go out and pick the laundry up, do it, and bring it back to them. So we're definitely seeing that. We're seeing more and more too of route where they go around to like dry cleaning into your house, pick up laundry, bring it back all nice and folded. So those are all more avenues that we're seeing outside of just trying to bring customers into your store, but you going out and grabbing that laundry, bringing it back, processing it, and sending it back out.